Uh, the last point and next point of this agenda is run cross-browser testing. So basically, to run cross-browser testing, we need to configure this playwright.config.js files. So we need to add under a project JSON array. We are going to add this all the browser fields. So basically, for Chromium, we have added this Chromium. Firefox, we have added this Firefox, and for Safari, I've added this WebKit. So if we configured all this parameter, and I want to run uh, on this homepage test, this first test to run all three browsers. So I've added .otley annotations. So now this test will be run on all three browsers which I have configured. We'll see the three browsers are opened. You will see all three browser test scripts is passed. So here we have completed this agenda automated test execution. Run and explain your playwright test suites. So we have completed these 6 points. Thank you.